Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Biscuit. How is everybody doing out there? Hopefully everybody's having a good day, being safe, remaining safe. So today's video is going to be a kind of unboxing. Well, it's already out of the box. I'm not even gonna lie about that. Today is going to be a slight unboxing and a preview of my Pedicure Bowl. So let me just give a little bit of backstory on why I'm making this video. Me as an up-and-coming nail tech, I am currently enrolled in school to become a licensed nail tech. I wanted to be able to have a pedicure bowl for when I start doing pedicures. So of course, you know, you look at the reviews, then you look online, and you try to find the best pedicure bowl that you can. You want details, you want a video, you want to see what it looks like, you want to see how big is it, you want to know is it a good brand. I couldn't find any of that. I didn't want one of those regular plug-in to the wall with the bubblers, the Conair pedicure bowls. I wanted something that's actually a bowl. So a bowl without the water source. Now, I could have just got a actual pedicure chair, but honestly, at this moment, I don't need a pedicure chair. Plus, the pedicure chairs run like $2,200 and up. So at this moment, like I said, I'm still enrolled in school, and at this particular point, I'm not ready for a pedicure chair. Even though there's nothing wrong with me just going ahead to buy to get it out the way. However, that's not on the agenda. So, without further ado, this is going to be a review on the Noel Asmar Pedicure Bowl. So, this pedicure bowl I actually found on Amazon. Huh, go figure. So, as I've said plenty of times in all my videos, Amazon is like my best friend, okay? You can find everything on Amazon. Whatever you're looking for, Amazon has it, trust me. Or if Amazon doesn't have it, Walmart will have it. So, but anyways, most of all of my nail stuff came from Amazon. So, again, this bowl is from the Noel Asmar group. I did go ahead and purchase this off of Amazon. This is my invoice, of course. And I'm gonna read off a few things. I got 2 items from them, which I got the signature pedicure bowl and the signature pedicure footrest. So both of them I got in the frost color, and the frost color is basically a white, off-white, pearly white, frost type of color. So in total, I paid $142 for the bowl. And the footrest I paid $25 for. Everything you purchase separate, so it's not a combo deal. You can't get it together, things like that. So you have to purchase both of them separately. So I did go ahead and place the order on June 1st, and I received my order at my door on June 8th. So you pay $12 for shipping, but of course Amazon said that it was free. But if you actually go to the Noel Asmar website, you will see that there's a $12 shipping fee, no matter what. So, like I said, this shipment came pretty slow to me for it to be coming through Amazon, but it wasn't a prime delivery. I'm seeing this out that it was going through a third party. So the shipping company, of course, they used was FedEx Ground. I did not have any problems with FedEx Ground. I have cameras on my home, so I was able to see when the delivery actually got to my house. So that's always a plus whenever you're expecting a package. And me, I love receiving packages. So with that being said, I watch every single thing that comes through my phone, tracking numbers, all of that. So like I said, the box weighed about 10 pounds, and the pedicure bowl actually weighs 7 pounds. So it's supposed to be lightweight. It's supposed to be roomy and comfortable. It's supposed to be it's supposed to fit a size 14 in a men's shoe or foot. So actually this is pretty large to say. In my eyes, it's pretty large. So first thing that I'm gonna start off is with the footrest. So this is what the footrest looks like. Okay, so it's like a half of a circle, obviously, because it's a bowl. And here is what the back looks like. It has these little grooves here because this actually sits on top of the bowl, which I will show you shortly. And here is just a little sticker that came on the bowl. Basically just gives you a little bit of detail, the code number, the color that I chose. Of course, like I said, the bowl is from Noel Asmar. And to me, this was a classic, chic bowl, dainty, to me, that is. So that's the reason why I did go ahead and purchase this bowl. So here is the bowl itself. Again, this is what the bowl looks like. And this is how big the bowl is. So the bowl also comes with handles right here. You can hold it here and here, so that way when you are going to grab your water, you can just hold the bucket just like this. Now, I know it looks larger on screen, but technically this thing is pretty huge. So this is the inside of the bowl. What I do like about the bowl is that it has like these little pebble stone, kind of like grooved surface. So it has like little bumps in here for the feet to rest in it. And then it has like this little circle. Now you can convert this into an actual pedicure bowl. So you can carve this out, which I have seen. I think it was one video that I did see that they made a little hole for the drain and they actually made this into a actual pedicure bowl. So this is what the bowl looks like. Again, super chic. I love it. And then the footrest just sits right on top like this. So there you have it. There's your pedicure bowl. So when your client's feet are in the bowl and you need to have them lift it out, they can rest their foot here, so that way you can start the process on giving them a pedicure. So again, super cute. I am definitely pleased with the way that it looks. I do actually want to use this. So my sister, who is going to come over, she is going to let me do a jelly pedicure on her. Super excited. You guys, this is super cute. Who would have thought it would look like this in person? Now, I did see some pictures on Amazon where they showed like somebody had a chair and then they had the bowl underneath there. So like I said, I thought this was super cute. Now, to maintain the cleanliness, oh, here's the sticker here, so that way you can see that. Now, to maintain the cleanliness, of course, you need to use a germicidal disinfectant. You can use Lysol. It does not recommend that you use bleach. However, but I think that if you dilute the bleach a little bit, then you shouldn't have a problem. Seeing as how this is a plastic, probably plastic PVC material, I wouldn't use any harsh chemicals. So like I said, I'm probably gonna use the Lysol, all-purpose Lysol spray. And then maybe I will dilute this with, dilute the bleach with water. So that way it makes it a little bit easier. So also on the bottom, it has these kind of grips here. So that way you can grip the floor. And that way your bowl won't slide when your client has their feet inside of the bowl. So I think that's super cute too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put this on the floor and I'm going to put my feet inside of the bowl. I wear a size 10. I'm proud of my 10, so don't come for me because I didn't send for you. But yes, so definitely I should have 4 inches and definitely a lot of room to be able to move my feet in here, especially when you get like a jelly pedicure or you wanna move your feet around, you should have a lot of room. So let's do that.
Okay guys, so you see that I do have my pedicure bowl on the floor. This is exactly where I do my pedicures in my nail studio. So again, like I said, my feet are size 10 and this has a lot of room for me to move my feet up and down, side to side, around. I don't have to worry about it being too small, being cluttered, just like it would be inside of a Conair bowl, like one of those pedicure bowls or systems that you get from Conair. You don't have anything in the middle preventing you from rubbing your feet together and things like that. So here is the top that I am putting on top to the pedicure bowl, and you are still able to insert your feet. This is super cute, right? And it's very convenient and it looks stylish and I like it. Like I said, I can't wait to start doing my pedicures in here. My sister will be the first. And not only that, I did get some pedicure liners, which will go around the bowl. Maybe I'll try to sneak some clips in, or actually ask my sister if she's good with me recording her pedicure video. So yeah, I love this, right? Super cute. Who would have thought?
So again, I couldn't be happier with my decision to buy this pedicure bowl. It definitely was a little bit of an investment, but again, once I am finished with nail tech school, you know, all the things that I have purchased to help me get better at what I want to do will pay off in the long run. So I'm not worried about the price, not worried about anything, even though I'm getting it now and I'm not completely finished with nail tech school. It doesn't matter. All this stuff back here is an investment. You must invest in yourself, period. Okay? So again, I love this bowl. Can't wait to use it. Hopefully this helps other nail techs out there who are looking for a bowl to do pedicures in, because I had a hard time. And then on YouTube, like I said, I couldn't find anything besides the Conair, bubblers, the pedicure bowls. Honestly, I did not want that. I wanted something chic, of course, to match my decor. So yeah, so that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Again, hopefully I am helping somebody else out there make a decision about the bowl. I'm sure I will have more pedicure videos to come. Check out all of my videos down below. Make sure you subscribe. That's first. Hit that notification bell so that way you never miss a video from me. Become a part of my nail journey that I'm on, and hopefully, like I said, I can assist and help other future nail techs out there that are going through the same thing. Don't know what to buy, don't know what to get. Should you get this? Should you not get this? I'm just trying to, you know, help the next person out. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Again, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Also, one thing that I forgot to mention is that it was wrapped very nicely. No damage to the bowl whatsoever. It did have a fragile sticker on it, but of course, not trying to say that FedEx Ground or UPS wouldn't look at the fragile stickers, but we all know how that could go. But it was wrapped very nicely, and it was actually wrapped in bubble wrap. Who else has an obsession with popping this shit? What is that? Stop that. But does anybody else like this? Give this video a thumbs up for that. Okay, bye.